Hey, all right. Hey, everybody. RV Enthusiast here. Nice seeing you again. It's a beautiful day here in Portland, Oregon. Hillsboro, Oregon. Anyway, I got a couple of things I got to do. One of the things is I'm taking the Power level, laser line level, and going to go inside the RV barn and check it out to make sure it will shine a light across, or and my pole barn's 40 feet wide by 60 feet long. I just want to make sure it's nice light out today. I'm doing this for one of my subscribers. He wants to know if it in daylight how it kind of looks, and I'll just get back with him on the original video of hey, it works or it doesn't work real well. I know in bright sunlight like out here, if I was 40 feet away, you would not see it. But in the barn, lighting's a little different. Even though it's bright, I think you'll still see it. Anyway, I'm going to do that for him. And you can see I'm kind of getting there. This is kind of mounded down. It's only about 1.5 feet tall. I've got to put some bark dust in there, and put some rock around here. I'm working this area. Hey, let me show you the back side. And you can see all this is in. I can't really quite drive on this yet. I got another week there. Got a week there before I can drive on that. But the RV's inside, obviously. I got a bunch of things I'm doing. But yesterday, I need rock in here too. I need a bunch of stuff. My neighbor's getting his done. I knocked all this crap out with Johnny yesterday. Took about 2.5 hours, well, maybe 2 hours, but I knocked it all flat. It looks much better. Anyway, getting ready for some rain coming. It's not coming, but in the fall, so I can seed and get things going. Anyway, let's walk into the barn and see what we got here. So you can see, Johnny's in here, my trailer's in here, and Zona's in here, resting nicely. It's warm, it's covered, it's nice. She likes it. Anyway, I'm going to set this somewhere, maybe off in this corner, maybe up. Oh, I can see you can't probably see it, but there's a spider stringer. Let's see. How's this? Oh, that may work. All right. So I'm gonna just turn this on and see if we can see the light from one level to the next for him. Okay. So clearly, I can see it. As long as the sun's on my eyes, I can clearly see it over there, and it might not show for you guys, but I'm clearly 40 feet away and see it perfectly fine at 40 feet. Being that you're seeing a 170-degree angle and your view probably is not as well. Now, on this wall, which the sun is shining on, right now I'm 20 feet away, and I see it fine on a shaded area. Let's put some glasses on. No, glasses don't help me. I forgot I had LASIK, so it doesn't really help. Anyway, yeah, at 20 feet it's very easily seen. Let's come back here. This is probably 30 feet. Yeah, you can see it at 30. So I'd imagine if you got a little bit better eyesight than me, you can see it at 60 feet. Now this is lit as well, but it's a little more shaded. And I'm easily, well, this is 30 feet right here. Easily, no problem. No problem. Beautiful. Okay, this is easily 40 feet. No problem. Beautiful. Easily seen. yeah, in my barn right now, I can see it good. I can see it real good. You know, I wouldn't be able to see it in this, I don't believe, even up close. Well, yeah, you can see it, but barely. So yeah, you can see it. It's fine. Anyway, that's what I got. I'll send him that information right now, and we'll add this to a portion of this to another video. Alright, hey everybody, RV Enthusiast here, nice seeing you again. Hey, we have ordered some new light bulbs on Amazon. Let me show you what we currently have. Alright, that's what we currently have. So if I take this on-camera light and turn it off, you can see it really doesn't add much light in here. And I can even turn one more on. Let's turn this one on. And as you can see, it's very dim. So what I've went and done is this here is the original 1141 that goes in here, or that initially went in here. If I take this out and I put the 1141 in, watch how much brighter this original bulb is. That's quite a bit brighter, but you know, these things have a lot of wattage to them. So what I've went and done is I went and bought these other ones off of Amazon, and these are 10 for like 17 bucks. Not the most expensive. These are also 3,500 degrees Kelvin, so they're not blue and they're not white. But they're very close to what I initially had in here, and they're brighter. So what I'm going to do is I'll just take these out and replace them, and we'll see how much better it is. And I know the wife will like it. Because she certainly did not like these blue ones. That's one of the problems you get when you buy on Amazon. You don't really know. Now these are pretty old, but the quality of them, they've lasted a long time. They're just not good light sources. And see how much better that is? Much brighter. Much better. Alright, I'm going to replace a few of them and we'll get right back to you. Alright guys, just like that I put 20 bulbs in. I'm not using the light on the camera anymore, but I replaced 20 of them. And that's the difference it makes. Quite a bit of difference. I didn't replace the ones over the bed because those are still the light blue ones. I think at night that might be okay, but we'll test that out. I have 20 more, so this is much better. This is much better. Anyway, it's a very simple fix, or a simple thing. Even if you have the existing bayonet type incandescent 3,000, 3,200 degree bulbs that are, you know, 4 to 6 watts a piece, you can switch them out to these, which are 1.5 watts a piece, maybe 2 watts a piece. But they are significantly better than the originals, and significant. If you bought the bright white, which actually kind of look blue and they're dim and they're this style, and you don't like those lights, look on Amazon and find these. You saw a picture in the beginning what they look like. It's a much better light, and they do look like the standard yellow 30. These are 3,500 degree Kelvin lights, but they feel much better to the eye, and it won't be, you know, now when you're reading or you're looking at something on the internet or whatever, it won't be as difficult to see as it was for us initially when we had those dim ones. So I'm going to turn all this off, And that'll be the episode. This is much better. It is much better than before. Leave this on. Alright guys, thanks for joining me. Catch me on the next episode. Remember, full-time, part-time, anytime is a great time to RV. We'll see you later.
To like, share, and subscribe, click the logo to the left.